Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. This morning we are at Milton GO Station in Milton, Ontario. And I got some great news here. We have a green light cleared for a CPKC westbound train. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's see if we can get any CPKC trains this morning. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC train coming down the line. We got our, and look at that, we have a signal for an eastbound CPKC train. I can hear the rumbling from a distance for the CPKC westbound train. I hear rumbles this way, so I think I'm hearing a CN train in my area right now. I think there's a CN eastbound going through right now. I can tell by the sound there's a CN eastbound coming on the way to Mill Base. But we do have a CPKC westbound coming. It might be. Well, I hope to God this eastbound signal is for CPKC 734 because it's got the 7013 leading on it. I swear to God, I hope this signal is for 734, or if it's not, I'm gonna freaking lose it. I'll pause it for now until the trains get closer. Roll it. Okay, we got CPKC westbound train coming down the line. The train that I heard, this westbound's going to be, the westbound's got to be 231 because that's what they heard. And it's going to be meeting the eastbound. I have some bad news here. The eastbound's 230, so it's not 734. So this is BS. The CPKC 734 pass just got into the winter tunnel like around 6 o'clock in the evening. Right now, the time is now 2:38 a.m. in the morning. Get my short ready. It is pissing down rain right now, so what do we got for power? We got 90, 372, 8704, 9728. The symbol on this train is CPKC 231. This train originates from the St. Luc Yard in Montreal, Quebec, terminates in Bensonville, Illinois, all on this April 29th. No, not 29th. April 30th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. In one more day, it'll be the month of May. May's going to be in about a day. Tomorrow's May. Tomorrow will be May the 1st. So we're almost to May season. That's what I call April showers brings May flowers. He is really flying. This train's got less mixed freight this time, but he's got more auto racks. We got 230 coming our way, so hopefully the 734 will come before all the GO trains show up. Go. I don't think there's a DPU because there was already 3 engines on this train. He is really motoring. I think some of the manifest cars were dropped off at the agent courtyard. I think. picked up the auto racks probably at Agent Courtyard. But they will be sending these empty ones off at Wolverton. This train definitely has work in Wolverton, for sure. Okay, no DPU on this train. All right. There's the end of CPKC 231. Off it goes to Vincentville where it terminates. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. All right, we got CPKC 230 coming down the line. That's what I heard. That's what I heard on the scanner, that they were meeting. They were just at the junction like around 10 minutes ago. I heard a CN eastbound when I was catching. After I can hear a CN train going through. I can hear it's going past Manswood. I heard its horns all the way from here. Besides, don't worry. I'll see some CN trains tomorrow when I go to the Home Depot. I was originally gonna go this morning, but it's pissing down the rain, so I figured I'd come here so I won't have any problems because I'm under a roof. So I unfortunately won't be seeing the 734 because it's going to run in the daytime. Or maybe it's going to... Besides, my dad has to... I told my dad to sleep in the car, so maybe it's best I just... You know what? I'm going to see this train regardless. So no matter what time he shows up, I'll see it regardless, no matter when he's showing up. I'll stay out for the 734 if I can, because besides, we've got the intermodals to come anyways, if one of them is not late. The time is now 2:50 in the morning, 10 minutes before 3 a.m. We got 8171 leading. He is really motoring! Whoa! Jesus Christ, he's so loud! Here's the auto rock, so where the hell is the DPU? There he is. We got 8152 DPU, alright! Symbol on this train is CPKC 230. This train originates from Bensenville, Illinois, terminates at the St. Luc Yard in Montreal, Quebec. All on this April 30th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Alright, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I gotta go home because my dad has to sleep. Before we get into I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on. leave comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies is signing off. It is after 3 o'clock in the morning. Peace out, everybody.